Hi. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about your math. So you're going to finish the subtraction. Let me start that again. You're going to finish your subtraction chapter that this last week, this in January. So this is going to be the end of subtraction, and then you'll also have your test to do. The first part of the subtraction that you're going to do is you're going to be checking your subtraction with addition. So let me give you a couple of examples. That way you know what you're going to do. So let's say you have 51 and you're subtracting 16. So you have this problem, right? Can I get 6 candies if you only have one? No. So you got to borrow. So you're going to borrow this and you're going to make this a 4 and you're going to change this to an 11, right? Because you took 10 from here and moved it over here. So 11 subtract 6 is 5. And then 4 subtract 1 is 3. So your answer should be 35, but we're going to double check because we want to make sure you got that right. So you're going to go 35 plus 16. So you're going to take these bottom two and you're going to add them together. Now, 6 plus 5 or 5 plus 6 is 11. So you got that one here. You got to carry your one up here. 3, 4, 5, 51. 51 and 51, that's the same. So that is how you know you did that one correct. Let's do one more like that, just so you can remember how to do this. Let's say 47, and we're subtracting 15. Now, 47, 7 subtract 5. If you have 7 candies, can you give me 5? Yeah, you can. So you're going to bring down 2, and then 4 subtract 1 is 3. So 32. So we're going to check this by going 32 plus 15, and we're going to make sure that it gets the same answer. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 and 1 is 4, 47 and 47. So you're correct. You did that correct. That is how you're going to check your addition with subtraction. Hopefully that isn't too hard and too confusing. The other ones on there are just a lot of the same borrowing. If you have 3 candies, you can't give me 7. So you got to borrow from the tens place in order to make it fit. And make sure you're crossing out and putting the smaller number before it. Okay, then the other thing we're going to do is we have these estimation problems, okay? So let me draw a little number line really fast. We've got this here. We've got 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 49. All right, so we've got 50 here, okay? So I've got a number line that looks kind of like this. Now, I have 31 cars, and then I have 47 cars. All right, so 31 cars and 47 cars. So I'm going to write this right here. I have a little line here, so I'm going to write 31 and 47. Now, if I wanted to do a problem, let's just say I wanted to know that there was a big hailstorm, and there were 57 cars that were damaged, and there's a repair shop, and the repair shop has done 31. So let's figure out if we were to we're going to estimate how many have been done so far, which means we're going to do a subtraction problem. So we pick our largest number first. So is 47, is that closer to 50 or 40? I hope you said 50. So 50. And then 31, is that closer to 30 or 40? And the answer is 30. So 50 subtract 30. How many have they done? They've done about 20 cars. They have about 20 left. They've done about 30. They have about 20 left. So that's what you're going to do. You're estimating. So even though right now, and then I had quite the debate with one of your classmates. Anything 5 and above, you round up. So whenever you see 55, you're going to round that up to 60. We're not doing it at the 5s. So if you had 55 plus 29, and that equals something. So we're going to round this up, and I want you to go about how much. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's subtract. 55 subtract something. So rounding up or rounding down. 55 is going to be rounded up to 60, and 29 is going to round up to 30. So 60 subtract 30 is 30, about 30. So we could even do that in our thing. Let's see here. So 26. Is 26 about 30? Yes. So that is why we're saying about. You round up to the next number, okay? All of the estimation problems are like that. You're going to estimate. You have like, so 35 minutes and 13 minutes about. Hopefully that makes enough sense to you. Let's see. Then you have a review, chapter review. And you also have chapter 6, you have a test for that. I'm going to go ahead and send another subtraction review where you're going to subtract by crossing off and borrowing because it's only 4 practices, and I think it'll be good to just continue to practice. Borrowing is confusing, but once you really get the hang of it and just cross out and move that number over, I think you'll be fine. So that's it. That's all I have for you for your first week back of school. So take your time, relax, chill out. I'm not going to have a spelling for you that first week just because I don't know what it's going to look like. So don't panic if you don't see a spelling list. But that's all I have. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas. And as of now, the plan is to come back the same time that we had originally planned. I know that other schools are changing things up, but we, as of now, have not decided to do that. So I hope to see you soon. All right. Bye.